Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500. If you have a Fiat 500, your rear window defroster doesn't work. You're trying to find where the relay is located for the rear window defroster. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. Where the relay is located, how to guys test a relay, and where you can buy relays for a really good price and quick shipping. All that will be shared in this video today. So before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you want to see any specific videos on Fiat 500, leave a comment below, that way we can get an idea, and if we have time we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. If you need to buy any parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. So what we have specifically here, a 2015 Fiat 500 Abarth, but even if you have a different configuration, different engine, different year, it may work as well. You need to open the hood and you will get to the main fuse box, which is located next to the car battery here. This is one relay. If you want to see how to test a relay in just a few seconds, I will put a link to a special video in the description of the video below. Check it out. And if you guys want to see where to buy relays for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. It will show you how to do that. So what we have here, now we're going to go ahead, remove the bolt for the fuse box. You have one more fuse box that's hidden. And if you want to know about it, check out the video where are the fuses and relays located on Fiat 500 on our channel. Once you remove it, good news, you have the numbers of the relays here with a T in front of the number. That means relay. With an F it means it's a fuse. So it's pretty easy. The relay guys that you will need to check, okay, for the defroster now will be T19, okay, T19, that relay here. And ours, no kidding, it's not working. It's missing guys. Somebody used it for something else, so it's not there, you can see. That's why ours is not working. We found the problem, we'll replace it, install a new one and fix it hopefully. If your rear window defroster doesn't work, I recommend to check the fuse as well. Thank you for watching and see you next time.